All right, guys, so the biggest thing with really all of golf, but especially these shots, is our setup position and our club face at impact. Club face position is going to determine where the ball goes, same as on the range. It's just a much smaller scale. So we're going to change a few things with setups, how we're setting up to the ball as opposed to a full swing. So the way we're going to do that is our feet are going to be much narrower. We don't need as much balance because we are not swinging as big, right? So we'll have a narrower stance. It's going to be slightly open to the target, which means your toes will be facing a little bit left of the target. So when we do that, that's going to allow our hips to move back and we can control the club face and turn behind the ball a lot easier on this short shot. So when we set up here, on a basic chip, we're going to have the ball somewhat in the middle of the stance. We're going to have our hands in front of the ball. That's a big thing. That means we're going to hit the ball first and a downward strike. We're also going to have our weight more on the left side. That's going to also ensure that the club's coming down straight and straight down onto the back of the ball, and we can actually hit the ball in the air that way. So when we do all these things, it should look something like this. So when we do that, the ball spins, it goes in the air, and we have to put minimal effort into getting it to where we need to go. Once we get the consistent setup, chipping is pretty easy after that. Once you kind of ingrain the weight on the left side, club face, maybe a little open stance, and turning back and turning through the shot on a smaller scale than our full swings, chipping ends up being pretty easy. Some of the best chippers in the world are not really that good long players. They're really good at short game, so it saves them. If you can get chipping to be a really strong part of your game, it's going to save you a lot of strokes in the end. Say you miss a lot of greens maybe. If you can chip it up near the hole and one putt or two putt it, that's going to save you a ton of strokes rather than sculling it across the green or into a sand trap or whatever, wherever it may be that's not on the green that you're not trying to put it in the hole, which is the whole point of golf. So let's do a couple drills, do a couple chips, and let's get that done.